Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about 2+. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about integration by hyperbolic substitution. So I will put about s equals to a sin t. So later that we need to do first derivative for the both sides. Because if I put this one gone here, we have a square sin t square, a square, a square. We can do about factorization. Sin t square plus 1, we have cos t square, and later that we simplify the square root. So I will put this one gone here and here. The s we change for this one. So we can do about factorization by a square. So this one that is about cos t square. The square root of this one we have a cos t. So we have a square, a and 8. We have a to the power of 4. And this one that is about sin t square cos t square. Next, we have the formula in here. So I will put about 2 to the power of 2. Later that we need to divide by 2 to the power of 2. So this one we can put 2 sin t cos t to the power of 2. And this one that is about sin 2t. Now we have the formula in here. That is about cos 2t minus number 1 over number 2. 2a. So capital A that is about 2t in here. So we need to transform this one into this one. So we have like this. So number 2 I will put outside. And this one we have number 8. The integration of this one, we have 1 over 4 sin 4t. Number 1 that is about t. And I will put about c. About t that is about this one. So we need to divide both sides by 8. And now we can find the value of t. That is about arcsin of s over 8. So I will put this one to change for t. This is the end. Thank you for watching.